What's new in SQL Compliance Manager 5.5? We've completely revamped the installer interface. Setup files no longer have to be extracted first before starting the installation. The installation itself is much simpler and can detect and pre-populate some of the setup options, such as the local SQL instance which will host the repository databases. Support for auditing SQL 2017 has also been added. As always, the SQL instance where the collection server is installed must be at least as great as any of the audited SQL instances. So if you plan to audit a server with SQL 2017, you will also need to have SQL Server 2017 for the Compliance Manager collection server, which hosts the event databases. Capture settings for DML and select activities are now available in the SQL CM console. In addition, when auditing a SQL 2017 server, there's an option to capture these events using the SQL Server audit logs. We have added a number of new regulatory guidelines to the regulation wizard. These include DISA-STIG, FERPA, NERC, and SOX. Updates have also been added to both HIPAA and PCI audit settings. And lastly, we have added a new configuration to sensitive columns datasets. Previously, we could define a column or table, and if a query accessed any sensitive data, the select query was captured as a sensitive data event. With datasets, we can now define sensitive data when multiple columns are accessed in the same query. For example, first name alone is not considered sensitive, last name alone is not considered sensitive, but doing a select with both the first and last name in the same query would be considered a sensitive data event. For more information about SQL Compliance Manager 5.5 or any of our products, please visit us at www.idera.com.